PHP developers don't just need experience in their preferred and tangential languages to succeed. They also need to overcome the common pitfalls anyone in the tech industry can fall into. To learn which skills you should have to do your best work, keep watching. Practice and research. The one skill that every coder must learn before they can call themselves a coder is how to persevere. If you don't know how to push through a project and see something through to the end, you'll never get anything done. It doesn't matter how hard a project gets, you can never give up on it. The best way to develop your own perseverance is to take on challenging projects. You need to understand what you're capable of, and then take on projects that push your understanding. If you don't feel the pressure of trying to finish a project when you don't know what to do about it, you're not learning. Focus on yourself. Becoming a stronger coder also means developing a sense of where you can go to for help when you need it. There isn't a single successful coder who hasn't turned to Stack Overflow or Google when they needed help on something. Learning how to identify useful information and apply it to your own personal goals is a fundamental step toward becoming a strong coder. The benefits of learning how to find, validate, and use information span further than coding. It can help you with any challenge you ever face. Web pages get boring. PHP is great for building web pages, but it can get boring if that's all you're using it for. It's useful to pick up other dev languages, and especially new ones. If a PHP developer can also write HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and jQuery code, they become massively more valuable to employers. And since they know how the languages that create content work, they will write better PHP to handle it. Complement your skills. Web designers are not web developers, and just because you can code in content-driven languages doesn't make you a designer. Instead, it means you have a deeper understanding of websites and other projects. And with that knowledge, you will be able to write better PHP code. Don't learn content-driven languages to become a web designer. Instead, pick up those skills as a way to complement the ones you already have. Start networking. All PHP developers, and developers as a whole, should learn how to network in their industry. They should learn how to advertise themselves and their skills to potential employers and clients. The best way to develop networking skills is to practice among friends and colleagues. Try telling them about how your unique skills can help them on their own projects, and ask questions about their careers. Those kinds of conversations transfer well into professional networking situations. Eventually, you'll find yourself connecting with people like a pro, knowledgeable and approachable. Most employers and business professionals aren't worried about the technical details behind code. It's easy to fall down a rabbit hole about tables or protocols during a conversation. Yet using technical jargon and explaining how your projects work may alienate people. It's better to focus on what your work actually does. By focusing on what your projects do instead of how they function, you will seem knowledgeable and approachable at the same time. And that will catch an employer's attention. Your PHP development career is more than your expertise in a single coding language. It's a journey through your capability to learn new things and apply them in new ways. It's impossible to have a fulfilling career with just one specialized skill set, and it's impossible to be successful alone. For help finding employers or employees, and for help taking that next step toward a successful career, contact us. We'll connect you with people who have the skills you need for any project. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.